ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसाम् विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम्। This work is going on. Too much noise. Started come. Okay. So we were seeing this Rajan Shabda, and in that Nalopa Vidhi is there, and for that Nalopa Pratipadikantasiya, by that Nalopa takes place whenever that Pratipadika gets Pada Saudhnya. So Rajan Bhyam, in this situation, this Swadishva Sarvanamasthane, by that sutra, Rajan got Pada Saudhnya. And because it got Pada Saudhnya, Pratipadika, Pada, Pratipadikatva, Padatva is there, therefore Padanta Nalopa takes place. So Nalopa took place. Now Nalopa Vidhayaka Sutra comes in Tripadi. So obviously because it is Tripadi, therefore whatever is Sapada Saptadhyayi, for it is Asiddha. But the Asiddhatva area for this Nalopa was restricted by another sutra, which is Nalopa Supswara Saudhnya Tuk Vidhishu Kriti. By this sutra, that general Asiddhatva was restricted to this particular vidhis only. Apart from these vidhis, whatever other vidhi is there, then this Nalopa, the Nalopa vidhi becomes Siddha. That means Nakara has disappeared only. Okay. So that's how this Rajashva, etc., there the Sandhi takes place. So Sandhi, that particular vidhi, is not Sub vidhi, it is not Krud vidhi, it is not Tuk vidhi. So therefore, that Asiddhatva of that vidhi is not there. It is Siddha. So that's how that happens. But for this is Subvidhi, Rajan, Dhanabhyam. Here it is Subvidhi. So Asiddhatva is there as it is. That means what? Nalopa has disappeared, but this Vidhi itself does not exist for this Subvidhi, which is Supicha, and for Atobhisa Ais. And this Bahuvachane Jhalde. For these three Vidhis, all three of them are Subvidhis. And for them, it is Asiddha only. So that's how Rajabhyam, this particular form we solved. Rajabhi, then we were on Chaturthi Vakti Ekvachana form, Radne, where Allopanaha, the Anaha, Basaudnikasya, Anaha, Akarasya, Lopaha, Bhavati, Yajadi Swadi Pratyeshu Pareshu Satsu. So here it is Ajadi Swadi Pratyaya, and that's how Akara disappears. Then Stoshtunashtuhu, the Shtutva Sandhi takes place, Nakara turns into Nya, and Raj, Nya, Rajne, then Radne, complete form. The Radne, this is Maharashtrian pronunciation. Ragye, North Indian, and little bit difference in South Indian. So here we are. Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachan, done. Rajan, Dhanabhyam, here just Nakara disappears because of Nalopa Pratipadikantasya. So Raja, Nakara has disappeared. Bhyam, Sutra is then just we have to connect Rajabhyam. Rajan, Dhana, Yes. There will be correct. नलोप प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य and ससजुषोरुः खरवसानः. Correct. राजभ्यः राजन धना. See what will happen here. How will disappear? Sutra.
Alloponah.
Correct. Alloponah. Alloponah. This sutra upasthiti is happening. What the Saudhnya Sutra is first. The upasthiti of Saudhnya Sutra takes place. Rajan gets this Bha Saudhnya and then the work happens. Now Raja Nakara turns into Yakara. Sutra. Form will be Radnya Sasarushoru Kharavasanu Visarjani. Rajan Dhanabhya. What will happen here?
Nakara lopa by na lopa pratipadikantस्य.
Form is ready. What will happen here?
Na lopa pratipadikantस्य nakara lopa happens and then tasajusharupo karavasani visarjaniya.
Sasarushoru Kharavasanu Visarjaniya Rajabhya.
जी जायज मिस्टर.
Rajan Dhanagas. What will happen here?
Say alloponah.
Will disappear, now will remain. Then us. Sutra is
Naka.
Allopona.
Nakara becomes nyakara by stohoshtu. And you get Ragniha.
Form is ready. Rajan Dhana Os. What will happen here?
So alloponah and then nakara will become nyakara. So Ragnyoho.
Now will turn into Nya Adhika Os Stohoshtunashchu. Radnyoho Sasarushoru Kharavasanu Visarjaniya. Rajan Dhana Am. Here. What will happen here?
Same alloponah. Nakara then nakara becomes nyakara by stohoshtu and Ragnyam.
Allopona. Then Raj Dhana. Yeah, Nakara will turn into Nyakara. Nam Stoho Tunashchu. Rajnya. Rajan Dhana. What will happen here?
Alloponah.
Raj.
Stohoshtu Ragni.
Correct. Here there is optional form, but first we will finish this.
Rajani.
Yes, Swamiji.
Which one? Rajani.
That is optional one. So here first form will be Radni as per the process. Now Alloponah, right next to it, there is Sutra. Here is Ashtadhyayi. Alloponah, then this Sapurva Handratradnyamani Vibhashanisho. So just ignore this sutra. In the same order, third sutra is this Vibhashanisho. So Vibhasha Anaha At Lopah. So Akara Lopa of Anaha Akara. Okay. So Akara of An will disappear. That is the thing. And this Bhasaudnya will be coming from this Bhasya Anaha At Lopah. Bhasaudnyakasya Anaha Akarasya Lopah. Till this vritti becomes like this. And then Bhasaudnyakasya Anaha Ni pare sati, she pare sati, vibhasha allopah. That is the vritti of vibhasha isho, this sutra. Now this sutra we are going to read. So ni is saptami bhakti pratyaya, and this she is prathama dvitiya vivachana. Napunsakachya, what we bring for napunsakalinga shabda. So that she, and here ni saptami bhakti ekvachana pratyaya. For these pratyayas, this allopah takes place vikalpena. This we already have seen for this dadni dadhani form. Asti dadi sakyak namanudatta. So we will write sutra here first. I will write sutra. Vibhasha nishoho. Six, 4, 35. No, 36. What will happen? The full sutra will be like this. Bha saudnya kasya anaha akarasya नौ विभाषा लोपः स्यात्. Okay. नौ परेसति and श्याम. Okay. श्याम is सप्तमी भक्ति एकवचन. नौ श्याम च विभाषा लोपः स्यात्. For now, us we are using भसौज्ञकस्य अनः अकारस्य नौ विभाषा लोपः स्यात्. That's how. So whatever lopa we did here, alloponah, that lopa will be vaikalpika. That means vikalpena their akara will remain. Okay. So separate steps we will write because this tostu nastu is getting applied. Here we will write separate. Rajan dhanangi raja a na ana e. Nothing. Once that allopona took place, now it will not take place. So just simply we will connect them when we call this akara does not disappear. Stohstunastu is also not applied, and we just get Rajani. That's it. So two forms we get. Radni, Rajani. These forms are clear?
Yes, Ji.
Now, Rajan, Dhana, Os. Here again, what will happen?
Alopanah. And then stoho stunistu. Ragnyoho.
Stu. Rajnyoho. ससरिषोरु खरवसानो विसर्जनीय. Then Rajan, Dhana, Sup. What will happen here now?
न लोपप्रातिपदिकान्तस्य.
Right. नलोप प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य. Etva will not take place because subvidhau nalopah asiddha. Nalopa vidhi asiddha. Therefore, this nakara is seen by that akara. That's why this sutra will not turn that akara jakarottaravarti akara into ekara. So Rajasukt form will do. Rajan, Dhana. Now Su for this Sambodhana Ekvachana. Now here, what is the prakriya? Rajan, Dhana, Sa. Sa will disappear by sutra Yo Dirghat Sutisya Pruktam Hal. Now, just like Rajan had become Rajan, Sa disappeared and then Nakara disappeared by Nalopa Pratipadikantasya. Here also, Sa has disappeared, but Padatva, it has given Padatva by Pratyalope Pratyalakshanam, Upasthiti is taken and Padatva is given to this Rajan Shabda. Now, Padatvat, Nakarasya Padantatvat, Nalopa Pratipadikantasya Lopa Praptah. Here also. But that does not happen. For that, this is the sutra. In the Grantha only will be. Here. Here I will write first. Rajan, Dhanasu. Rajan, Dhanasa. Rajan, na, Sa disappeared. Now, Rajan. Here Nakara is, Nakara Lopa is Prapta. Now, let's read the sutra. Nangisam buddhyoho. Nangisam buddhyoho. Nangisam buddhyoho. Here, Nalopa Pratipadikantasya. Nalopa Pratipadikantasya Nakarasya Lopah Syat. This is the vritti of Nalopa Pratipadikantasya. Yeah. Pratipadikasya Padasya Antyasya Na Lopah Syat. Pratipadik Savadnigamyat Padam Tadantasya Nakarasya Lopah Syat. So now let's come to the next sutra. Nang hi sambuddhyo. That means what? Pratipadikasya Padasaudnyakasya Pratipadikasya Padantasya Nakarasya Ni Pratyaya Pare Sati Sambuddhi Pratyaya Pare Sati Nakara Lopah Na Nalopah Na Bhavati Kada Ngau Sambuddhau Cha. when there is ni pratyaya, when there is sambuddhi pratyaya, that time this nalopa will not take place. It is prapta by nalopa pratipadikantasya, but the prapti is stopped by nangi sambuddhyoho. So here our pratyay is sambuddhi. Sambodhana ekvachana pratyay is sambuddhi. So pratyay lope pratyay lakshanam, we are as though pratyay has disappeared. By pratyay lope pratyay lakshanam, the characteristics or the work which happens due to that pratyaya happens even in the absence of it, if the lopa has taken place. Now Rajan Dhanasu, Su has disappeared, and yet to give the pada saudhnya, because suptingantam padam, that which ends with sup, that which ends with ting, is also only considered as pada. So Rajan, Su has already disappeared. How will it get pada saudhnya? So pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshanam. Though it has disappeared, we assume or we take the karya of that pratyaya, and the Rajan is given pada saudhnya. So now Rajan is getting pada saudhnya. It is ending with nakara. So nakara was supposed to disappear by nalopa pratipadikantasya, but ni sambuddhi anayoho vishayoho nakara lopaha na bhavati tasya nishedha. So therefore Rajan stays as it is because it is sambuddhi pratyaya. Okay. So this becomes our answer. Nasya lopaha na. Nasya lopaha na. Kada nau sambuddhau cha. And there is sambuddhi pratyaya at that time. This is our example. This Rajan is clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is Sambodhana Ekvachan. So hey, we will put here. Next statement we will see, but first we will finish this. Now, Rajan Dhana. Oh, what will happen here?
Rajan.
Okay, Sutra.
Sarvanamastane cha sambuddha.
Sarvanam. Because au has Sarvanama Sthana Sautnya. Therefore, Jakara Uttaravarti Akara will become Dirgha. Just we have to connect He Rajanu. That's it. Then Rajan Dhana Jas. What will happen here?
Sarvanamastane cha sambuddho. Rajan plus as Rajanah.
Then Sasayushoru Karavasanaru Sarjaniya. He Rajanah. Then so Rajan Shabda gets over here. Raja Rajano Rajana. Yes, Swamiji.
Rajana.
Sorry, sir.
And above also Rajan.
He Rajana. He Rajan.
He Rajan. He Rajan.
Yes, Swamiji. Yes. Raja, Rajano, Rajanah, Rajanam,
Rajanam.
Rajano.
Rajya.
So till this 5, Sarvanama Sthane cha Sambuddho. So Upadha, Nantasya Upadha Dirgha we did. And hereafter, whatever Ajadi Pratyas are there, Akara disappeared because of this Alopona Sutra. Because wherever there are Ajadi Pratyas, the Anga will get this Bhasaudnya. So there Akara disappeared. In the Saptami Bhakti Ekvachan, optionally it disappeared. Okay. Vibhasha Nishyoho, Ni, Shi, Anayoho, Vibhasha Akara Lopaha Syat. So that's how we did Vibhasha Lopa. So Radni, Rajani, these 2 forms we got. Everywhere else, Radnyaha, Radnya, Radne, Radnyaha, Radnyaha, and then Radnyoho, Radnyoho, and Shashti Bhakti Bhavachan, Radnya. Then wherever the Haladi Pratyas were there, their Pada Saudnyakatvat, Nalopa Pratipadikantasi, Nakara Lopaha, Tatascha, Tasya Asiddhatvat, Tripaditvat, Asiddhatvat, दिस कस्य प्रति आत्वविधिं प्रति एत्वविधिं प्रति ऐस्त्वविधिं प्रति असिद्धत्वात् तत्र तत्कार्यं न. We just connected them there and we got this rajabhihi, rajabhyam, 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 rajabhyah, rajabhyah, then this rajasu. In the case of sambodhana, nalopa pratipadikantastri is not applied because nahi sambuddhyoho. This nalopa pratipadikantastya hi sambuddhyoho na. In the case of ni pratyaya and sambuddhi pratyaya, nalopa does not take place. Now, in the case of sambuddhi, we saw how nakara does not disappear. Now, in the case of ni, which is saptami bhakti ekvachana, how nakara does not take place? Correct? That is the question. This full vritti says nasya lopa syat. And we saw the meaning like this much only. Nasya lopaha na syat sambuddhau. Sambuddhau. Sambuddhau nasya lopaha nasya. There is one more meaning of this sutra. Nasya lopaha nasyat. No, when there is any pratyaya. So what happens? There direct I will open. These are some examples. One example is directly taken from this Taittiriya Upanishad only. Parame Vyoman. They might have. Parame Vyoman, this much quote comes. Here. Satyam Jnanamanantam Brahma, yo Veda Nihitam Guhayam, Parame Vyoman. It is actually Parame Vyomani or Vyomni. This is how it should be. Correct? Because this optional akara will disappear. But Parame Vyoman, here this ni pratyay has disappeared. Okay, this is Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachan form. Parame will go with Vyoman. Parame is in Saptami Vibhakti. Vyoman is also in Saptami Vibhakti. But there Saptami Vibhakti has disappeared. Okay, sutra is this. Supam suluk puro savarna chaya dadyaya jalaha. So by this sutra, this sup look has taken place. Okay, that sup is Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachan. Now, after that ni which has disappeared, in this case, this Vyoman, because Pratyay Lopa has taken place, Pratyay is not there, but Pratyay Lope Pratyay Lakshanam. By that we get Pratyay Lakshanatva and Vyoman gets Pada Saudhnya. Now, Vyoman has got Pada Saudhnya. Padantatvat, what should happen? Nakara Lopasyat. Just like it happened for this Rajan, Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan, Su disappeared and Pratyay Lope Pratyay Lakshanam, by that paribhasha, we got the Pratyayatva, the Pratyayantatva to this Rajan Shabda. We gave the Pada Saudhnya and then Nalopa Pratipadikantasya. We applied Nalopa Pratipadikantasya and we made that Nakara to disappear and we got Rajan. In Sambodhana Ekvachana, we use this sutra, what? Nangi Sambuddhyoho, and we said that Sambuddhi Pratyaya Paresati Nalopaha Nastyat. Even here, now another meaning is even Ni Pratyaya Paresati Nalopaha Nastyat is the meaning of second part of that sutra is this. Nasya Lopaha Nastyat no. So Vyoman Dhana Ni Vyoman, it disappears fully. Sutra is this. supam suluk purva savarna cheya dadyaya jala. By that supluk takes place. Now vyoman ni. Vyoman has got pada saujna. Nalopa pratipadikantasya sutra should be applied, but it is not applied. And vyoman remains as it is. What is the sutra? This is the sutra. Okay. Nangi sambuddhyo. So sambuddhi example was asked, which was contemporary going on Rajan. Vyoman was not in the list, but it is mentioned in the sutra. That's why we saw. Now, this Vyoman, this example is clear. Vyoman example is clear.
Ji, a small doubt.
Hmm.
It is loop, no, it is not lopa.
Hmm.
So then pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshanam will not apply, right? So where is pada sanya for this?
This we have already seen this. This Nalubatangasya is Anitya Paribhasha.
Okay, now I remember. Thanks.
For now, I remember only Nalumatangasya is Anitya. This is the explanation for now I'm giving. If there is something else, then I will find out. But Nalumatangasya is Anitya Paribhasha. That much we have to remember. Now there will be some other situations.
Wait. So here,
Yes, sir.
in the Supam Sulok, which Adesha has come of these? Che, Ya, Da, Dya, Yaj.
Here it is look, Swamiji.
So these Adesha is not always going to be there.
Which Adesha?
Is Suluk. Because the sutra says Chandasi Vishaye Supam Sthane Suluk.
Yes, Swamiji.
And Purva Savarna Adesha Bhavanti. So either it is only look or look and Adesha.
Pratipadikantam yet we will see that. Siddhanta Kaumadikara also has not even the Kashikaras we will read. No parata sambuddhaucha. No, we have to read this. Supam Suluk Purva. We'll open. छंदसी विषय सुपाम स्थाने सु लुक पूर्व सवर्ण आ चेया डाड्या याच आल इत्येते आदेशाः भवन्ति. And
so adeshas are there according to you.
And for our example, this look is this.
They have given that Lohite Charman.
Here. Look. This Charmatila. Okay. Are there Charman? This example here it is given. Charmatila is other example. This is Charmani. It is supposed to be Charmani. Saptami Bhakti Ekvachan.
Which is given later, you see. Charmani iti prapte. Iti prapte, then this sutra and look.
Yes, sir.
There is no Adesh.
Means look is Adesha, Swamiji.
And what about the others? They are also.
Look itself is Adesha. Lopa or look, they are also called as Adesha.
And Purva Savarna?
That also Adesha.
So look is one of the Adesha.
Yes, Swamiji. Siddhanta Kaumadikara has Parame Vyoman is the example of Kaumadikara. Near look.
Near look.
Okay. So thus now this is clear that ni disappears somewhere, and then this nakara is not disappeared because of this nangi sambuddhyo. This is clear? Now there will, this is Chandas Prayoga. In Chanda, this will happen. Or Vaidika Sanskrit or Vaidika Prayoga, this may appear somewhere. But this type of situation where ni disappears, that situation may come in Laukika Sanskrita, where example is given Brahmanishtha. Brahmanishtha. Now the samasa has taken between Brahmani Nishtha. Brahmani Nishtha. Brahmani Nishtha, it got Pada Saudhnya, sorry, Samasa Saudhnya. Brahmani Nishtha, Brahmanishtha. Samas Saudhnya, once it is given, then the Vibhakti Pratyas will disappear. Okay, so Brahman, Alaukika Vigraha will be Brahmani Nishtha tu. Okay, now in this situation, it has got Samasa Saudhnya, Supo Dhatu Pratipadikayoho. So Dhatu and Pratipadika. Samasa Saudhnya is there, therefore Samasa will get Pratipadika Saudhnya by Krittadhyata Samasascha. Once it is given Pratipadika Saudhnya, Pratipadikasya, whatever is named as Pratipadika, if it has Vibhakti Pratyaya as its avayava, that will disappear. Now, this whole group of letters gets Samasa Saudhnya. Because it gets Samasa Saudhnya, it is named as Pratipadika. Once it is named as Pratipadika, we see already that which is named as Pratipadika is having Vibhakti Pratyayas as their avayavas. So Ni is one Vibhakti Pratyaya, Su is another Vibhakti Pratyaya, and it is avayava of Pratipadika. So this full group is Pratipadika and it is having two avayavas, two Vibhakti Pratyayas as avayava. They will disappear. So Brahman, Ni will disappear. Nishtha, Su will disappear. Sutra is O Dhatu Prati Adikayogo. Okay. Now Brahman Nishtha, here Ni has disappeared. Correct. Nangi Sambuddhyoho Sutra. Now, though Ni has disappeared, Pratyaya Lope Pratyaya Lakshanam, by this paribhasha, Brahman is still having Ni Pratyaya in front of it. Correct. Because of that, Pratyaya Lope Pratyaya Lakshanam, Brahman is having Pada Saudhnya. Separate, individual Pada Saudhnya is being maintained even after that Ni has disappeared. Nishtha also will maintain its separate individual Pada Saudhnya. Now Brahman is maintaining Pada Saudhnya. There is no Ni. But Pratyaya Lope Pratyaya Lakshanam, we are getting that Pratyaya Lakshanatva. And that Brahman is ending with Nakara. Pada Saudhnya plus ending with Nakara. Nalopa Pradipadikanta says Prapta. Correct? So Nakara should disappear by Nalopa Pratipadikantasya. But current sutra, it has mentioned Ni Pratyaya Pare Sati. Ni Pratyaya, in the case of Ni, this Nakara will not disappear. Na Ni Sambuddhyo. So Nasya Lopaha Ngau Nasya. If there is Ni Pratyaya, then Nakara will not disappear. Nalopa Pratipadikantasya Nasyat. Tasya Nishedha, Tasya Pratishedha, that is not applicable. What Nalopa Pratipadikantasi is not applicable here. So if that happens, then we will get Anishta Prayoga like this. Brahmanishtha, which is a Sadhu Prayoga. We do need Nakara Lopa here. Now for that, Vartika Kara is giving explanation so that this Nakara will disappear. what is the solution given by Vartikara? Na uttarapade pratishedo vaktavya. We will have to see the order. Order is nalopah pratipadikantस्य. Then nangi sambuddhyoho. And then in order we have to say ngau उत्तरपदे प्रतिषेधः वक्तव्यः. Now, nalopa pratipadikantस्य, by this sutra, nakara lopa is prapta here because it is having pada saudhnya. Brahman is having pada saudhnya. Correct? Because ni has disappeared and nakara has become now ending letter of Brahman Shabda, which is having pada saudhnya. So, pratipadikanta pada, that padanta nakara should disappear by nalopa pratipadikantasya. Next sutra comes and it says, in the case of ni pratyaya, that nalopa pratipadikantasya na bhavati. That means nakara will remain there. Okay. Now the next Vartika, just read, we can read in the same order, that nangi sambuddhyoho iti asya videhe. What we have to see? Nangi sambuddhyoho iti asya videhe, of this vidhi, ngau उत्तरपदे प्रतिषेधः वक्तव्यः. Ngau उत्तरपदे प्रतिषेधः वक्तव्यः. That means what? If there is a situation like Brahman, then there is Ni, and then there is Nishtha, which is Uttarapada. In Samatha, there will be Purvapada, Uttarapada. Now here in this situation, so now this assume this Su and Ni has disappeared by Supodhatu Pratipadikayoho. Okay, but they are there present because of the Pratyaya Lope Pratyaya Lakshanam Paribhasha. Now there is Nanta Pada, correct? Nanta Pada. There is Ni Pratyaya after it, and there is Uttarapada. Correct? Now, the Nakara Lopa is not supposed to happen in the case of Ni Pratyaya Saptami Vibhakti. Okay? Nakara Lopa should happen to the Padanta. Nakara Lopa should not happen, will not happen if it is the case of Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachana Pratyaya Ni. And now this third statement is saying that if there is Uttarapada after this Ni Pratyaya, in the case of Ni Pratyaya where the Ni Pratyaya has disappeared, if there is Uttarapada, then this Nangi Sambuddhyo, this particular Nishedha will not work. That means what? Nalopa Pradipadikantasya will work. This Nishedha is not applicable in the case of Uttarapada. If there is Uttarapada after that Saptami Bhakti Pratyaya, then this Nangi Sambuddhyo Nishedha is not applicable. It will not work. That means what? What will work? Nalopa Pradipadikantasya will work. So, Ngau pare sati, Brahman, Ngau, Nakarantat, Ngau Pratyaya pare sati. I like. Nakarantat, Padat, Ngau pare sati, Ngehe, Uttara Pade cha sati, Uttara Pade cha pare sati, न निसम्बुद्ध्योः इति प्रतिषेधः निषेधः निषेधः न. What the Pankti is saying that he is saying that तस्य कस्य तस्य नङि सम्बुद्ध्योः इति अस्य प्रतिषेधः अत्र वक्तव्यः. अत्र तस्य प्रतिषेधः वक्तव्यः. अत्र कुत्र यत्र ङौ और ङेः उत्तरपदं परतः वर्तते. So that's how here Brahman Dhananishta ङे has disappeared in this situation. Nakara will disappear. So here we will write. What sutra we will apply? That na ni sambuddhyoho iti anena नलोपस्य निषेधे प्राप्ते तस्य नङि सम्बुद्ध्योः ङौ उत्तरपदे प्रतिषेधः वक्तव्यः. In other words, ङेः अपि परतः उत्तरपदे नङि सम्बुद्ध्योः कार्यं न करोति. तत्र तावत् नलोपः प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य इत्यनेन भवति एव नलोपः. So that's how nakara disappears and we get Brahmanistha. Now Brahmanistha will get pada saudhnya, pratipadika saudhnya, new pratipadika saudhnya will be given it, and we will get Brahmanistha, this particular form. This is clear.
Yes, Chief.
So this is now uttarapade pratishedho vaktavya is a vartika. That's how it will work. And Brahmanistha will be the form. Rajanau, Rajanah, Rajnyaha, these are the rest of the forms which we have already. Yes, Swamiji.
If we take an example where it is not nakaranta shabda, but if it is some other shabda, it will still work the same way.
No, because it is specifically for nakara, na? Okay.
And that is my question.
Jagat.
So like Atman Brahman is okay, but other than that,
Jagat. Uddharaha.
So Jagannistha it becomes.
Or Jagannistha. So Takara will remain. Jagataha. Begins. Uddhara only right. Uddhara. So Jagat. Oh, sorry, no. Jagat. This is Shashti Vibhakti.
Because Jagadoddhara.
So this and that will be Shashti Tatpurusha. We need Saptami. Ni should disappear, na? So Jagannistha we can take. Jagati Nishtha, Jagannistha we can take. Jagati we can take. So, Jagat Dhanani.
But it will be Jagat, Ni, Nishtha, Su.
Nishtha Su. Yes. Jagat Ni Nishtha Su. Jagat Ni will disappear. Nishtha Su will disappear. Jagat will not disappear because there is no such sutra which will make the lopa of takara. For nakara there is available.
Talopa.
Nalopa pratipadika. For takara there is no. So nishtha will remain as it is. Then this jagat, takara and nishtha, there the sandhi will take place. Takara will turn into nakara. Jagan, nishtha, then form.
Oh,
Huh? Yes, Swamiji? Sure. This is fine.
yes, yes. Continue.
Hmm.
Yeah. There's no light in your room or what?
No, this it's going, coming, going. Maybe some work might be going on, or it is very heavy raining today. Too much. It's just going and coming again and again. Rajano, Rajana.
Agama Pai.
Yes, I mean, it's going. Rajano, Rajana, Rajna. So these forms we saw. So Nai Sambuddhyo Sutra is over. Now let's move to the next. Anything we have left? Nothing. Now in this Nalopa Supswara Saudhnya Tuk Vidhishu Kriti. In this sutra, this meaning we saw. Rajabhyam, Rajabhi, Radni, Rajani, Saptami Bhakti. Then Rajasu, Saptami Bhakti Bahuvachan. Now next shabda is Yajvan. It comes Yajvan. Dana Su. Yajvan. So the one who do Yajana called Yajva. Now Yajvan Dhana Su. Yajva na sa will. No, you don't need that step. Yajvan Dhana sa will disappear by sutra.
हल्की अव्यय दीर्घाच्युति से पृक्तम
Anyabhyo dirghat sutisya pruktam hal. Now, actually one step already we should have done. Akara will turn into akara by sutra.
सर्वनामस्थाने च संबुद्धौ
Sarvanamasthane cha sambuddho. Now, Yajvan sa will disappear by Halnyabhyo dirghat sutisya pruktam hal. Yajva nakara will disappear. Sutra
न लोपो प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य
लोप प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य form is ready. यज्वा. Okay. Then यज्वन धन औ. What will happen?
सर्वनामस्थाने च सम्बुद्धौ यज्वानौ
सर्वनामस्थाने च सम्बुद्धौ. Form is ready. यज्वानौ. Then यज्वन धन जस.
यज्वानः बै सर्वनामस्थाने च सम्बुद्धौ ससजुषुरोः खरवसानयोः विसर्जनीयः
सर्वनामस्थाने च सम्बुद्धौ ससजुषोरु करवसानयोर्विसर्जनीयः यज्वानः. यज्वन धन हम.
यज्वानं बै सर्वनामस्थाने च सम्बुद्धौ
सर्वनामस्थाने च सम्बुद्धौ.
यज्वानौ बै सर्वनामस्थाने च सम्बुद्धौ
यज्वन धन आउट. जुवान धन औ. पुत्रे सर्वनाम स्थाने च सम्बुद्धौ. Form is ready. यज्वानौ. Now यज्वन धन शस. What will happen here?
यज्वन just यज्वन
Shas will become us. Yajvanaha.
यज्वनः because सर्वनामस् यज्वानः again
यज्वानः will not happen.
will not happen. That's why yajvanah
यज्वानः is answer. But one sutra is prapta here. यज्व akara lopa is prapta here. Bal lopona. Correct? Because now it is having bhasaudnya. Sarvanamasthan saudnya got over by out pratyaya. Shas pratyaya is having shas pratyaya does not have sarvanamasthan saudnya. Asarvanamasthan saudnya ka pratyaya it is. So therefore allopana will be applicable. So for that we will sit here. This is allopona. Bhasya is coming from here. Bhasya anah allopah akara lopah syat. Bhasya निश्योः विभाषा अल्लोपः स्यात्. Next sutra is भस्य अनः अल्लोपः संयोगात् वमन्तात् संयोगात् न स्यात्. What will the वृत्ति? वमन्तात्. Okay. वान्तात् संयोगात् भस्य अनः अल्लोपः न स्यात्. मान्तात् संयोगात् भस्य अनः अल्लोपः न स्यात्. Two meanings will come out. भस्य here अल्लोपः वान्तात् अल्लोपः अनः न स्यात्. मान्तात् अनः अल्लोपः न स्यात्. So how it will happen? Like this. Yajva. Now yajva is ending. This sanyoga is there. Oh, we didn't read. We should read sutra. I'll just explain there. Yeah. Let's read the sutra. न संयोगाद्वमन्तात् न संयोगाद्वमन्तात् न संयोगाद्वमन्तात्. We'll see the vritti meaning and we'll see in the next class the form. वमन्त संयोगात् अनः अकारस्य लोपः न स्यात्. if there is Vakaranta Sanyoga and then there is Akara of An, that Akara will not disappear. And if there is Makaranta Sanyoga before Akara of An, that Akara will not disappear. Yajwan is having Bhasaudnya. There is Akara of An, which is supposed to get disappeared, but will not disappear because it is preceded by Vakaranta Sanyoga. There is a Sanyoga, and that Sanyoga is ending with Vakara. So, Vantat Sanyogat Anaha Akarasya Lopoh Nasyat. And that's how that Akara does not disappear, and we get form Yajvan, Dhana As, and form is Nirbadha. Yajvana. We will see that Vritti again in the next class and we complete that. Should we do Shanti Path Swamiji?
Yes.
Om Purnamada
Yes.
Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om Swamiji. Hari Om.
Hari